height difference and flow. Height difference and flow. We can say that height difference is directly proportional to flow. You understand? When we say height difference is directly proportional to flow, if this one is high, this one is also high. If this one is low, this one is also low. That is, if height difference is high, like in this case now, flow will also be high. And if for any reason height difference is small here or low, the flow also will be small. So we now say that height difference is directly proportional to flow. That is for water. You get the point now. Actually, we call this water current. We call it water current. Water current. Now, let's now go to electric current. Let me try to explain certain things to us. Let's go to electric current. Electric current. Let's relate what we have learned so far. This is the picture that will help you to understand this concept of Ohm's law. So let's go to electricity now, or electric current. Let's go to electric current. Now, you just need to understand this. In this case that we looked at here, what is flowing is water. But in the case of electricity, we are going to have a wire. But what will be flowing is not water. Like in this case, what will not be flowing is electrons. Electrons or charges. You get. Let's have situation A also. Let's have situation B. Okay. What instead of water in this case, what will be flowing is electrons. Okay. Electrons or charges. Now understand. Recall that if there is no potential difference, there can be no flow of electrons. You understand? Now, in electricity, instead of potential difference, instead of height, it is replaced with potential difference. So, in electricity, instead of height, we replace it with potential difference, PD. You understand? So, if in this case, let's call this situation A, and let's call this situation B. If potential difference is high, flow of electric current here will be high. If potential difference here is low, flow of electric current here will also be low. You understand? Now, if you look at when we started, we related height difference and flow. But in electricity, okay, let's try to bring it down. In electricity, instead of height difference, we have what we call potential difference. You understand? And in electricity, instead of flow that we had here, we call it electric current. We call it electric current. It's because actually the flow of these electrons is simply called electric current.